Guys, welcome back. Myself, Manish Mittal from Surya Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. On behalf of Surya School, today I will discuss you topic sharing current year profit of decreed partner capital. It is related to the death of a partner. In case of death of partner, we will give current year profit. How we calculate current year profit? There are two ways on which we will calculate current year profit. First is on basis of time. Two ways. First is on basis of time. Second, on basis of sale. On basis of time, on basis of sale. On basis of time formula. Profit into his share into time upon 12. Profit into his share upon into time upon 12. On base of sale, his share will be calculated profit into his share. On base of sale, time will be not applied. On base of time, profit into his share into time by 12. On base of sale, profit into his share. Today I will discuss only on base of time. Your entry will be passed, dear students. Two case. If new ratio not given, if new ratio not given means new ratio, no change in profit sharing ratio. If no change in profit sharing ratio of remaining partner, sharing ratio of remaining partner, if no change in profit sharing ratio of remaining partner, if there is no change in profit sharing ratio of remaining partner, then your entry will be profit and loss suspense account debit, profit and loss suspense account debit to decreed partner capital account. Second case, if change in profit sharing ratio of remaining partner, if there is change in profit sharing ratio of remaining partner, then your entry will be passed. Remaining partner capital account debit to decreed partner capital account. Remaining partner capital account debit to decreed partner capital account. I will discuss with this topic with the practical problem. It is written on the blackboard. First of all, you should remember, if not change profit sharing ratio, then your entry will be passed. Profit and loss suspense account debit to decreed partner capital account. If change in profit sharing ratio, then remaining partner to decreed partner capital account. Now, come on the problems. A, B and C are partner in a firm. Their books close on 31st March every year. Book close on 31st March every year. A died on 30th June. Account closed on 31st March and A died on 30th June. Then A will remain partner for 3 months. April, May and June. According to the agreement, the share of profit of deceased partner share profit at the date of death to be calculated. When his death means up to the date of 30th June, we should calculate on the basis, on which basis? Of the average profit of last 5 years. Profit is taken on the average profit of last 5 years. Profit for the last 5 years are 14,000, 18,000, 16,000, 10,000 loss, 16,000. Calculate C share of profit up to the date of death. Pass entry on the basis. First case, if there is no change in proportion ratio of remaining partner, second if new ratio is 3:2. First of all, I will calculate the key partner share. For this base, you should read from it on the basis. Which base? Average profit of last 5 years. First of all, total profit of last 5 years. Of last 5 years. Total profit. In 2014, 14,000. In 2015, 18,000. In 2016, 16,000. In 2017, here loss and loss will be less. 10,000. And 18, again 16,000. Your total profit will be 14 or 18, 32, 32 or 16, 48, 48 or 16, 64, 64 minus 10,000, like 54,000. Average profit. Average profit 54,000 divided by 5. Result 10,800 on this base. Now calculate age share in profit. Age share in profit. Formula profit 10,800. Age share 1/3 into mid time. Time up to 30 June. April, May and June. 3 months he remained partner. Then time is 3/12. 3 4 are 12. 3 3 are 9, 3 6 are 18. 4 9 are 36. 900. Rupees 900. First case, if there is no change in proportion ratio, then your entry will be passed. Case 1. Profit and loss. Suspense account debit. Profit and loss. Suspense account debit to age capital account. Sorry, yes. Age capital account by 900. Narration. 4. Sharing current year profit of decreased partner capital. Partner capital account. Sharing current year profit of decreased partner capital account. Now, case second, if there is new ratio being 3:2, if new ratio 3:2, then now I will name the blackboard and then discuss with on these problems. New ratio 3:2. Your entry remaining to decrease. For in gain ratio, can calculate gain ratio. B is gain. New ratio 3 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 15 LCM 9 minus 5 4 by 15. Case 2 B. C is again 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Result 15 LCM 5 is 6 minus 5 1 by 15. Your entry in gain ratio 4:1. Remaining who remaining? B and C. Your entry will pass. B is capital account debit. C is capital account debit. To decrease partner to A is capital account. We have already calculated 8 share. 8 share is 900. Distribute in 4:1. 720. 180. 4. Share in current year profit of decreased partner capital account. Dear students, if no change in purchasing ratio, then your entry will be passed. So profit and loss suspense account debit to decreased partner capital account. Decreased partner A. And if they change in purchasing ratio, then your entry will pass remaining to decreased partner gain ratio. In gain ratio, first of all we calculate gain ratio, that is 4:1. Remaining B is capital account debit, C is capital account debit, 2A is capital account. In ratio 4:1, 900 divided into 4:1. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.